Object-oriented programming, that is OOP. So we are going to discuss some Viva question. This is the part 1. Later parts I will upload it. Need of OOP. So why do we need OOP? So basically it is a we have to solve some real world problems. In that case we need OOP used to implement real world entities like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. It aims to bind together the data and function which operates on them, so other code cannot access it except that function. So it mainly binds the data and function together. Now the OOP paradigm. It is based on the concept of object. So in object-oriented programming, as its name suggests, it's based on the concept of object. It contains field and code procedures or function anything. So here we can see the object A, B and C. It has data and function. So all these functions communicate with each other. This is an important question. Who invented OOP? So Alvin K in 1997 invented OOP. Now what are the advantages? Reusability, redundancy, easy to maintenance, security, design, better productivity, easy troubleshooting, polymorphism, flexibility. Disadvantages: size, much longer code, as it uses inheritance. So we can create a class and then we can derive one class from the base class. So in such cases the codes get longer and longer. Now the efforts, lot of speed is slow due to the big size. Now the main principles: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. These are the important principles of OOP. Now the comments used. Basically the single line comment is used, denoted by double slash, backslash. We can also use a multi-line comment. Now the header files. Header files contains definition of function and variables, which is imported or used into any C++ program by using the preprocessor #include statement. Header file have an extension .h, logoria.h, which contains C++ function declaration and macro definition. So examples over here are #include stdio.h. So this is the header file, which is standard input and output header file. We use functions such as cout, sin. In such cases we use this header file. #include string. For using string and string operation, this header file is used. #include conio.h, that is console input output header file. We use the function that gets ch and all. #include stdlib.h, that is standard library header. Math.h, that is used for some mathematical operation. Now the data types. Data types can roughly be described as numbers, booleans, characters, array and structures. Int a equals to 5, this is the integer data type. This is double data type, character, string. And character data type, there is only a single letter. And string, it is a collection of characters. Boolean, it will only define a value true or either false. What is variable? Variables are containers for storing data values. For example, int a equals to 10. Here a variable a is storing the value 10. Thank you.